Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. COAS General Bajwa Qatar Amir discuss security cooperation. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa called on Qatar Amir Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, citing inter-services public relations. Sindh government files review petition in Daniel Pearl case. A day after the Supreme Court acquitted Ahmad Umar Saeed Sheikh, the principal accused in the murder case of American journalist Daniel Pearl, the Sindh government moved a petition seeking review of its decision. Lahore High Court seeks government reply on plea for ban on TikTok and other apps. The Lahore High Court issued notice for the federal government and other respondents on a petition seeking ban on a number of social media applications including TikTok, Bigo Live and Likee. PIA aircraft seized in Malaysia to land at Islamabad airport today. A Pakistan International Airlines aircraft which was seized by the Malaysian authorities over a lease dispute earlier this month has took off for Islamabad. Uzair Baloch acquitted in 2 more cases for want of evidence. A sessions of court acquitted Liari gang war kingpin Uzair Baloch in 2 murder cases for want of evidence. Sindh Minister declines gas price hike, demands representation in Agra. The Sindh Energy Minister Imtiaz Ahmad Sheikh termed gas tariffs hike for Sindh consumers a consequence of monopoly in Agra and declined the rest 14 increase. Have instead demanded representation of provinces in the regulatory. SBP foreign reserves fall $15 million to $12.9 billion. The foreign exchange reserve held by the State Bank of Pakistan fell by 15 million compared with 13,000 and 13 million in the previous week. 6 killed and 12 hospitalized in liquid nitrogen leak at poultry plant. At least 6 people were killed and 12 hospitalized on Thursday after a suspected liquid nitrogen leak at a poultry plant in the US state of Georgia. Terrifying video, skier buried under snow after falling into crevasse. This is the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, share it, comments on it and like it. And also follow us on Facebook. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.